So today's topic is AAA criteria. This is angle criteria, and this criteria actually means that if I have two triangles and if I need to prove that the two triangles are similar, then that can be proved by proving that all the angles of one triangle are equal to the or corresponding angles of another triangle. So I'll just write down the statement and I'll draw a figure. So the statement is, if the corresponding angles of one triangle is equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So okay, now I'll draw a figure. So we have two triangles. Let this triangle be ABC and let this triangle be DEF. Okay, so what is given in this statement? What is given in this statement is angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. And what we are supposed to prove? What we are supposed to prove is this triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So to prove this statement, we need a construction. I'll take a point P on DE and I'll take a point Q on DF and I'll join this P and Q. So construction is, the point P has been taken on DE in such a manner that the length of AB is equal to DP. So construction is AB is equal to DP. And similarly, the Q point has been taken on DF in such a way that AC is equal to DQ. So AC is equal to DQ. Okay, I'll go for the proof now. Now I'll take up triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. We have angle A is equal to angle D, which is given, and we have AB is equal to DP. That is because it is because of the construction, and AC is equal to DQ, and that is again because of the construction. The reason is construction. So can I say this is SAS criteria? By SAS criteria, the triangles, that is triangle ABC, is congruent to triangle DPQ. Okay, so by CPCT, that is congruent parts of corresponding triangles, we can prove that this angle ABC is equal to angle DPQ. I'll mark this as 1. Okay, but this angle ABC is equal to angle DEF, right? As it has been written here. So I'll mark this statement as 2. So by looking at the statement 1 and 2, definitely we can conclude that this angle DPQ is equal to angle DEF. Now look for DPQ. Here is DPQ and this is DEF. So we can see that they are corresponding angles, and because they have been proved equal, we can state that PQ is parallel to EF. So this PQ will become parallel to EF according to the corresponding angle axiom. Correct? Now just look into the triangle DEF where PQ is parallel to EF. So can I write down the ratio as DP upon PE is equal to DQ upon QF. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll reciprocal this ratio and I'll write down as PE upon DP is equal to QF upon DQ, and I'll add plus 1 to both the sides. That will make dp, that is dp plus 1 is equal to QF upon DQ plus 1. Again I'll take up this LCM, and that will make PE plus DP upon DP and QF plus DQ upon DQ. So just look, PE plus DP, what is that? That is DE. DE upon DP. Now look for the another one, QF plus DQ, that makes DF. Okay, now can I write the same ratio, that is DE upon AB, because we know that DP is equal to AB, so instead of DP I am replacing it with AB, and DF, DQ, in place of DQ I am replacing with AC. So again I will take the reciprocal of the third ratio that we have found out, and we will get as AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. Now we all know that if the triangles need to be similar, then we have two conditions that should be fulfilled. First one is all the angles of one triangle should be equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, which is already given in the statement. So what we needed to prove is कि if the ratio of corresponding sides are proportional, if we prove that thing, then that will completely conclude that the triangles are similar, because both the conditions have been fulfilled. So first condition, it was already given here, and second condition, we have proved it. Now we can think that the BC upon EF. Now how to get this ratio equal to BC upon EF also? So for that, what we are supposed to do is, we will take a point P on DE and Q on EF. So if I will do the construction in this way, then I will get my ratio AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. So for that we need to construct in a different way. Again I am repeating, we will take a point P on DE and point Q on EF. That will and if we prove it in the same manner like we have done it here, then we will get this ratio, that is AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Okay, so can we see all the three ratios are equal? So I'll just write down AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. So we have got the other condition for similarity also. Now since both the conditions are fulfilled and has been proved, so we can definitely say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, so this is it. And what conclusion we can make with the help of this criteria is कि if any two triangles are being given to us to prove that they are similar, then we definitely can look for the angles. If three angles are found equal, then definitely the triangles will become similar. This is AAA criteria. Okay, that's it.